Prove that cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20 into cot 5 pi by 20 into cot 7 pi by 20 into cot 9 pi by 20 equal to 1. Take LHS, add first angle and last angle, then we get pi by 2. Then 9 pi by 20 large angle equal to pi by 20 pi by 2 minus pi by 20. In the same way, this second angle and this angle are added, then we get pi by 2. Then 7 pi by 20 equal to pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 20. So cot pi by 20 into cot pi by 2 minus pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20 into cot pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 20. 5 pi by 20 is pi by 4. So cot pi by 4 is 1. Cot into tan 1. Again cot into tan 1. That equal to RHS.